Hello everyone, welcome. This is Trading Machine XO and hope you had a nice weekend. So today my primary topic to cover is how to identify some scheme moves on altcoins, actually non-organic moves, how to identify and how to take advantage of these shitcoins like recently we had auction and EARGO. Okay, so let's quickly start with a quick Bitcoin update. So, as you know, we are still in this range. Okay, let's do it in red. Let's do it in green. Okay, so this is still the range. Last week we also talked about this, and as you know how I am looking to play it. As we are in this middle of a choppy environment, so I don't want to get caught up in middle. But I am looking for some triggers, only looking to trade extremities of this range. If we get a push above this area and get deviation, I will go short. If we get a pullback first into this area around 82, 81, 800, I will trigger the long here, I will trigger the short here, okay, with the invalidation on the first move up. Simple as that. Okay, so this is it. Tomorrow I will operate in leverage. Probably tomorrow is a big day. We will see probably a big move next this coming week. For now, I am just sitting on my hands. This is choppy environment. Everybody is getting chopped up here. So simply I'm looking to trade extremities. Okay, these two areas are area of interest for me, and I personally think we will get expansion once we take out these range highs or we take out this range low around 1 hour demand. Okay, so let's quickly move to our major topic we are about to cover today, and first of all, let me teach you the basics. I will start with this altcoin because this one injective had a big organic genuine move last cycle, probably this cycle. Okay, so once we bottomed out around here in 2022, end of 2022, start of 2023. So just observe it and look how the organic moves work most of the times. We got the first leg up, then we consolidate for a lot of days, probably we consolidate for almost 190 days. Then we got the next leg higher, okay? And then again we consolidate here for almost more than a month. Then we again had one more leg higher, and then we gets in this consolidation, and it was probably distribution before we start this downtrend. So this was a proper organic move you can trust, and probably on moves like this, what you need to focus when it start consolidation for at least 1 2 weeks or maybe a couple of months. Then you need to identify the range lows of these consolidations to aid spot or go long. Okay, simple as that. So what is important to learn in this organic move is when these organic big moves happens, the bullish trend continues to go higher. But what is important is whenever we let me give you an example. Whenever we get decent organic moves, we most of the times goes like this, a leg up, then a consolidation for at least couple of weeks, then another leg up, then a consolidation for a little longer time of period, and then the next leg up. So these consolidations are most important things when the move is organic, and it will probably continue to go higher until we get something, some phase like distribution. Okay, so let's go to another example of non-organic move now. Let's have a look at the auction first. Okay, so you can see before we shift the structure here, a leg higher, no, not much of consolidation, just spend maybe 3 4 days here, then again another leg higher, then a little, I cannot call this consolidation, just 2 days of sideways price action, and then again a big leg higher to skew short out of this. Okay, so what you are observing here is a lack of consolidation in this whole move up. You are not seeing even a couple weeks of consolidation on this the way up. All you are seeing is a leg up and little sideways price action, and again leg up, and 1 day side price action, and again a leg up. And then this was likely to retest all this down here. Okay, so what you need to understand is when you are looking for an organic genuine move up, you should observe the big consolidations, probably 1 2 weeks minimum, and then next leg higher. But when you are watching non-organic moves, observe there will be a very little of consolidation, even not consolidation at all. This is what consolidation is. Okay, I hope you understand. So this is the first sign of a non-organic move, is that lack of consolidation during uptrend. Then again you see okay, look at that bullshit, man. So this was the long consolidation we had for almost 3 months, and then you can see when we start going up, there is not much consolidation, just a shallow pullbacks and the last leg high, and then we goes the reversal and the downtrend. Okay, many got wrecked in this, I think. And again, TRB is another example. You can see there was only one time when we consolidate. It was here for like 1 month, and then when we started going up, look at this, no real consolidation, not even consolidation for a couple of weeks, not even one consolidation. Look at this, and bang. So what you like to observe when you are trading, when you are looking for weakness, when you are looking for non-organic move which will likely retrace down back, you need to see lack of consolidation. Okay, so this is the first sign to identify the non-organic moves. Now we are looking to how you can pull triggers and how you can take advantage of this. Now we go back to okay. You don't need to catch knives when it is pushing higher. Many shorted here. Almost all got wrecked before this downtrend started. Okay, so you always have to wait. Let them play their card. Let them let the early shots get fucked, Then what you can do, you can go in the low time frame. For suppose the price is just had this big wick, then we had this lower downtrend. Then what you can operate. This is how you can operate. Okay. Sorry for my bad English, but I hope you are understanding it well. So what you want to see, you want to observe the range lows before the big move, okay? This last move. But when price lost these range lows and hold and give us a bounce, you still have to wait, okay? But price then again lost this key range low and then we can short the range lows. Yeah, look at this. This is beautiful short setup. Look at this bullshit, okay? So you need to operate this way. Most of the times, this is what happens when we had no consolidations, no big weekly consolidations on altcoin, and it keeps going higher. What you need to observe to take advantage of it, let's simply take this range high, okay? The previous range high for suppose the price is trading in this range before this big move up. Take this range high. No need to rush, no need to catch knives when the price is going higher like this. Just wait for your opportunity always. Now we got the range high and range lows. Okay, so these are our range lows. Okay, price went up very quickly. Take out most of shorts, and then when we start losing this support range lows, now you can short the range lows here with simply invalidation around somewhere here. Okay, that's as simple as that. So this is what you need to identify. First, you have to practice this. Let's check out Argo. This had a similar move. Okay, look at this. Look at this again. This you need to observe this leg up, no consolidation. A leg up, no real consolidation, not even consolidated for 1 week. This is not a organic move, okay? So this was the sign, no consolidation. When you want to operate this, when you want to take advantage by shorting this, you need to see, you need to go lower time frame, okay? On 1 day time frame, you got there's no consolidation, you know it's not gonna last longer. So you goes lower time frame for triggers. Again, again you see uh, let's suppose this was the range highs here. Let's do it in red, and this was the range lows. Okay, price when it start accepting below. Okay, sorry, I will do it again. Okay, this is range highs. This is your range lows on low time frame, because when you look for operations, you need to see low time frames. Okay, so look, when price break out of this range, it quickly moved like a rocket up. Okay, take out all the lead shorts, and then a smart trader need to wait and see if he lost the range lows. Look at this wick, we lost the range lows here, and then we retest. Let's go even in the lower time frame and see what happened here. So price breakout of this range highs, and then we start going acceptance below this range lows, and then we can short these range lows. Okay, the previous range lows. This is how you can operate in these environments. These are a very risky shitcoins, but if you want to take advantage, you need to practice first. Okay, look out for these moves, lack of consolidation first, and then watch out for your triggers when he lows the previous range lows and watch out for a retest. Okay, so this is I think this is enough for today. I'm not gonna take too long. I am actually not feeling healthy today. I'm just I had a headache and I'm not feeling pretty well. I will not take this long. Hope you understand this. And in future, if you practice enough, you can take advantage of this. Let's check out Fatwa, and many are talking about this. Let's wind up. Let's let's wind up with this. Let's see if the move is organic or not. Okay, we had this round bottom. I also called it on my X. Then this is important. Okay, we consolidate for almost 12, 14 days, probably couple of weeks, and then we have another leg higher. Okay, now what I want to see, I don't want it to see go higher quickly, because if it goes straight from here, I don't think this will last long before we get a get a reversal probably here into this resistance. So what I personally want to see, if the fat coin is still bullish, I want to see more consolidation, more time period in this consolidation, probably 1 2 weeks, probably a month. Then it will give me a signal that this is a bullish consolidation before the next leg higher. Okay, so let's keep it simple. I hope you understand well. Thank you so much. I will keep bringing content here for every weekend, on every weekend. So, my friends, you can learn and you can practice and you can be better. I will try to help. I will try to help forever, because this is what I want to do for you guys, especially the my friends who are part of my Telegram. So this is it for today. Thank you so much. See you next weekend on YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube, because if you subscribe and show support, I will bring more and more content. Thank you so much.